Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. So today we're gonna make a unicorn slime and we're gonna also play a game. So I love unicorn. So yeah, I'm so excited about it. Are you? So let's play. This is my unicorn chef slime. Unicorn slime recipes. I'm super excited. Let's play. So there's so many options you can make slime. So maybe I'm gonna choose this one. Ice cream sundae slime. Okay. The ingredients are a 200 ml white glue, some water, some activator, purple and mint green and pink food coloring, and dark brown food coloring. Some instant snow, some shaving foam, some foaming face wash, some decorations, candy sticks. Okay, play now.
Ice cream sundae slime. First, let's prepare all the ingredients we need. 200 milliliters school white glue. Some water. First things first, add 200 milliliters white glue into the mixing bowl.
So first we have mixed this white glue, school glue. So we're gonna open and pour in the bowl.
Great.
Okay, next. What's next? What's next?
Yeah, add some shaving foam now.
So we have to add some shaving foam and some face wash. Done. So it's turn of the face wash. Okay.
So funny.
Next, we're gonna mix this. Mix.
Good job. Keep stirring until it's even and smooth. I love slime. Nice. Wow, so nice. Amazing.
Okay, so our slime is done. So
Small bowl.
now we're gonna pour slime in different bowls and we're gonna color our slime.
Beautiful. I know what I want.
So yes.
And let's add some food coloring.
I'm gonna add the food coloring in my slime.
Fabulous. Good job. Then pour the
And
slime
yeah.
activator into it.
So we're gonna activate our glue and we're gonna make our slime.
Good. It's time to mix it up.
So we have to mix it. Mix.
Keep stirring until it's even and good job. Great choice.
Okay.
Wow, it's time to make
So we have to take some snow powder and water to make snow. And we're gonna take our water
some water into the
for making snow.
good.
Okay, our snow is ready.
Oh wow! The most important step. add some snowflakes. Lovely.
So we're gonna
Pour the
mix
slime
our
on your chopping
slime.
board.
So we're gonna mix our slime in or snow. First is pink.
Need to mix well.
Okay, I'm mixing this.
I love slime. Nice.
Okay,
Wow, so nice.
wow, fabulous.
Oh,
And yes.
yeah. See all the lovely ice cream boxes?
So
Choose one.
I'm gonna choose this dark pink slime box.
Now
So
drag your
I'm
slime
gonna
into the box.
store my slime in this box.
Yummy. To make ice cream balls, we need to dip the slime.
This exactly looks like ice cream.
Now pour your slime
Topping.
into the piping bag. Seal the piping bag. Press the piping bag. Beautiful.
Okay.
See all those lovely sticks? Choose your favorite. Oh, it's so
Okay. Now we're gonna play with our slime. Yes. So first we're gonna stretch our slime. Oh my gosh. This is too fun.
Let's press it with a finger. Great. I love
Yeah, and we're gonna drag our slime. This is so fun. Oh. Can you look this? Yellow, the green, the brown, the pink. Okay, so the toy. Okay. We're gonna take off our slime. Yes. Okay. Need. Yum 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 yum. This is really fun.
Let's play the slime with lovely toys.
Another toy, another toy, another toy, another toy. Okay, maybe that was. Okay. This one is good. We're gonna take off, take off, take off. What's going on?
Fabulous.
So guys, this was my video. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Share this video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.